I think C3 stands out in the market. We do have great equipment, but we also have great people behind that equipment. It's not just about the piece of steel we give to you. It's about the control systems behind it and the support behind it 24/7.
People are not only putting value on certain pieces of the hardware that we're doing, but they're also putting value on the process knowledge, and we are innovating, and that's what everybody wants. They're all looking for new machinery to do something different, to have a game changer in the market. I think that's where that modular design and that phase approach really works well.
We like modularity so we can react to a customer's needs. We like to have the ability to plug and play with different pieces of equipment to make up a line.
You're building your relationship, you're building a line, you're building automation, and you're building with them with their business. If you can get poured a package with one vendor, you have the same people, the same spare parts, same documentation. You have a better chance to continue to look at the processes and how to make those processes better. When you're buying that quality up front, that machine might be around for the next 10 or 15 years. So if you can simplify your processes, that's value to you each and every day.